Hello and welcome to our next newsletter update. So what we have been working on for the past couple months is structuring our updates and our upgrade window for 2022. And we broke down the beginning of this year so we could focus on different software and we could roll out the updates in a timely manner. So January and February, we were working on XYZ Mesh and getting it ready for version 9. Now, we ran into a few snags with that and we had to put it on hold for the time being. We did release what we have updated and fixed so far, and we just released that as an update to version 8. So if you currently had a version 8, then you can go and update that to the latest version for free, and that will give you all the updated features that we were going to include in version 9 that we've done so far. Now, when we get finished with the rest of the updates for version 9, we will be releasing that. It will have a few more added benefits than the current version 8, but we had to put that on hold so we could work on a few other things at the moment. And into March, we were focused on updating G Drive Linker and our application DXF Reader GT. Now, both of those did receive minor tweaks and updates to them. And DXF Reader GT, we actually plan on doing a little bit more with later on in the year, because we plan on incorporating that into what we're working on now, ExcelDraw version 6. So yes, we do plan on incorporating DXF Reader GT inside of ExcelDraw version 6. That way it will have more functionality in reading and producing DXF documents. So as you can see right here, this looks similar to the way that ExcelDraw looked previously, but there is one major thing different, and that is that this right here, while yes, we could just move this around, we can actually see that this is made up of lines. So these are actually, if you go up to insert, go to shapes, you can actually insert any of these shapes. That's what this is made out of. So we actually created our very own graphing engine that uses lines and drawings to create our DXFs inside of Excel. Now, previously what we were using was Excel's default graphing engine, where it just had charts such as scatter plots, bar graphs, line graphs. Those are what we use to create the CAD style drawings that we had before. And we never really liked this approach simply because it was limited in what you could do. Now this, on the other hand, since we have our very own graphing engine all contained inside of this one little box, you can see that it is much quicker than the previous engine that we had before. And on top of that, that text is actually programmed into ExcelDraw. Previously, what we had, we were using labels inside of the charts. Now we are going to be using actual coded in font with XYZ coordinates, so it actually produces a realistic looking font as to what it would look like whenever you exported it. There's also updated graphing with the rotation bars right down here. You can see we can rotate this around and the axis arms change as well, giving you a more realistic look. The ground layer has also been improved as well to show you the basic ground layer as to where it is to help you with your orientation. And you also have different views that have also been updated for the new graphing engine too. Now we're still working on incorporating this fully, such as using the drawing manager and a few things like that. But as you can see, we are getting very close to having this completed. Okay, well, thank you all very much. I hope that this has given you a little bit of insight as to what we've been working on, and I hope that you are excited for the new updates that are coming out. If you have any questions for us, please go ahead, leave us a comment down below, or if you have any suggestions of something you'd like to see added in, let us know, because we love to get insight from our customers. And until next time, have a great rest of your day. Hi, I'm Kyle, owner and operator of Great Technical. Thank you all so much for making it at this point in the video, and if you are here, go ahead, like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us out a lot, and it lets me know that the content I'm making is stuff that you all like to see. Go ahead, leave us a comment as well. Let me know if there's anything that you would like to see in the future, or if you have any future updates that you would like to have included in our products in the future. I would also like to say that being a company owner, I am very proud to be able to support businesses and students. I am also extremely proud to be able to support content creators. So if you have a content platform, you make videos, or if you have a blog and you would like to reuse some of our content, or if you would like to review some of our products, go ahead and send me an email. My email is right here, support@greattechnical.com. Get in contact with me. We can see what we can get worked out. And until next time, thank you all very much. Have a great rest of your day.